not Star Search. Who died and made you Ed McMahon?
Mr. Johansson, our gym teacher. He died.
It doesn't matter. Barry is doing that show. I will go to the top on this. I'll petition the principal, the school board, the superintendent, the mayor's office, the U.S. Secretary of Education if I have to. So what's it going to be, Andre?
You know my name.
I know everything. I got to the talent show! That's good news and very surprising to me.
Mr. Glasscutter, the Tri-State Talent Show Committee met and ruled that karate is an art form.
Wow, the Tri-State Talent Show Committee met. You know, that's almost unbelievable.
Well, it happened, so let's just move on.